Hello everyone. Today we'll be taking up questions from the Gujcet paper 2019. As you all know, the Gujcet papers have 40 questions of each section, and so math section will also have 40 questions. So let's begin with the first one. The question is on derivative, and this is a formula of minus cos 3 theta. Since cos 3 theta would be 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So we'll apply the formula first. D by dx of minus cos 3, and our theta is pi by 6 plus x degree. Cos pi by 2 plus 3x. Pi by 2 plus 3x means second quadrant, negative. And so this becomes d by dx of sine 3x degree. Now we can differentiate it. It is cos 3x degree into d by dx of 3x degree. So it is not x, it is x degree. Converting it to radian measure and differentiate. The derivative is pi by 60 cos 3x degree. So if x is equal to 1 plus x square plus x raised to 1000 is given, we will add on a few terms here like x cube, x raised to 4, x raised to 999, so that we will get an exact idea of what is f dash minus 1. So let's find f dash x. 1 derivative 0, derivative of x is 1, and then continue x square derivative, x cube, derivative of x cube, and then derivative of x raised to 4. The second last term is x raised to 999. The derivative is 999 x raised to 998, and last term. So when we find f dash of minus 1, we have after derivative we have substituted minus 1, and we will put all the plus terms together. The minus terms together. So this is an AP. We can use SN. There were 1000 terms, so 500 have come in the first one and 500 in the second. So N is 500 for both. First term 2, last term 1000. So calculate and find out your answer. I've done it over here, you can see. Okay, so it comes out to be minus 500. So it comes out to be minus 500. That is option B. Let's go to the next. On applying mean value theorem, fx is log x. So let's find f dash x first. What is mean value theorem? That there exists C such that f dash C is equal to fb minus fa upon b minus a. Over here b is e and a is 1. So first let's find f dash x. 1 upon x. Applying in here, it becomes 1 by c equal to f of e minus f of 1 upon e minus 1. F of e is log e, which is 1, log 1, 0, So that is C is equal to E minus 1. That's option B. So here we have sin x raised to 13 into cos cube x dx, integration of this. So the one with smaller degree, we will convert that, like we'll write it as cos square x into cos x. The cos square x will write as 1 minus sin square x. Now sin x is t and cos x dx will become dt. Okay, so that is integration t raised to 13 minus t raised to 15. Integrate. So on comparison, okay, we'll first write t value. So on comparison, we will find that value of A is 1 by 14 and value of B is minus 1 by 16. So find A plus B. So that is 8 minus 7 upon 112. That's D, 1 upon 112. That's another question of integration. 1 plus cos x. We'll take cos x common from the denominator. Since we have 1 minus cos x here and 1 plus cos x, we may think of putting the formula of 2 cos square x by 2 and 2 sin square x by 2. But this is sin x plus tan x. So better we will take conjugate of the denominator. Into 1 plus cos x. So numerator becomes 1 plus cos x the whole square. So we'll apply the whole square formula. And denominator becomes cos x into 1 minus cos square x, which is sin square x. So on separating the terms, we get this. Now in order to solve this, we'll have to write 1 as cos square x plus sin square x and then separate it out again, which will give us integration cos square x upon cos x into sin square x, that is cot x into cosec x. Sin square and sin square will get cancelled. We have sec x plus 2 cosec square x, and this is again cot x into cosec x, so we will write 2 over here. Now in the question, integration of sec x is given here, so I am writing that first, and integration of cot into cosec is minus cosec x, cosec square x is minus cot x. So we notice that our f dash x is cosec x plus cot x because minus 2 will be taking common. So f dash x is cosec x plus cot x. We are supposed to find fx, and which is given in terms of x by 2. So we are going to convert this to sin cos, and we have 1 plus cos x as 2 cos square x by 2, and sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. On cancelling the terms, we are left with cot x by 2, integration of, this is f dash x, so we are looking for integration to find fx. So integration of cot x by 2 is log modulus sin x by 2, and in denominator you differentiate x by 2, so that will give us half in denominator, 2 log sin x by 2 it is. Over to the next question. In an experiment, the probability of occurrence of event A is 0.6 and the probability that out of 3 independent trials. So this is a kind of question wherein we have binomial distribution. Number of trials are 3. Probability of A is what we want to find. So that is success for us. So failure Q is 1 minus P, and that is 0.4. We are looking for A occurs at least once. So x greater than or equal to 1. We can simply find 1 minus P of 0. And P of 0 is NC0, P raised to 0, Q raised to N. And N is 3. So 3C0, which is obviously going to be 1. P raised to 0 is 1. We are not writing. 0.4 Q becomes 1 minus 0.064. Simplify, you get 0.936. Do we have that? Yes, it is option B. Now again we are with a probability question, and we will first write this all equal to 1. The first term equal to 1, the second to 1, and the third also to 1. So we have P of A is 1 by 6. P of B in the same way will become 1 by 8. P of A intersection B will become 1 by 14. And then we have P of A dash given B is what we have to find. So the formula is P of A dash intersection B upon P of B. Now, this is again a formula which is P of B minus the intersection. So just put in the values, calculate, find out the answer, and leave it in the comment box. Here we are given the mean and the variance of a binomial distribution. So the formula for mean is NP and variance is NPQ. So when we take ratio of the second value to the first one, that is NPQ upon NP, we get Q as half. So P will also be half because it is 1 minus Q. Probability of random variable x, which is having value less than 2, that is we are looking for P of x less than 2. That's P of 0 plus P of 1. So N, we have to find N. What is NPQ or NP we will take rather. NP is equal to 6 and P is half, so N will be 12. So we'll use this. This is 12C0, P raised to 0, Q raised to 12, 12C1, P raised to 1, Q raised to 11. But in questions like this, when the value of P and Q is half, it will always come half raised to 12. So we're going to take that common. Half raised to 12 common. So that's 13 upon 4096. That is 2 raised to 12 value. Yeah, over to the next one, the approximate value we want, and the formula for finding approximate value is f of x plus x dash is fx plus delta x into f dash x. So first let's identify the function which is 5 raised to x. So the derivative is a raised to x into log a to the base e. That's fine, we are just going to write log 5. X plus delta x is 2.01. So x we will take as 2 and delta x as 0.01. Applying the formula is equal to 5 raised to x plus delta x, and f dash x is 5 raised to x into log 5. So put x value as 2, delta x is 0.01, and log 5 is 1.6095. Now you need to calculate this. Take 25 common. Okay. Let's check what it is. So this is the simplification. 25.4023, 25.4023. 7 it was, so 24 approximate value. Here the question is fx is equal to x upon log e to the base x, and we need to find in which interval it is increasing. So let us first write this as log x to the base e. From denominator, we are taking it to numerator, so this both will interchange. And for increasing, we have to find f dash x. So derivative of log x, and log x derivative of x is 1. So we have it as 1 plus log x. So in here, we have used uv dash is u dash v plus uv dash. Okay, now to find increasing and decreasing, we need to equate this to 0. And so we have 1 plus log x equal to 0, or rather log x is equal to minus 1, which can also be written as log x equal to minus log e, x equal to, this will go in the exponent, or we can say x equal to 1 by e. That means our critical point is 1 by e. So let's put it on the number line. 1 by e here. Our domain begins from 0 because it is log x to the base e, and it goes up till infinity. So now let's take a value between 0 and 1 by e, and then 1 by e to infinity. So we are going to take x as 1 by e square. Putting it in f dash x, we need to check whether it's positive or negative. So f dash x is 1 plus log of 1 by e square. That is 1 plus log e raised to minus 2, or 1 minus 2, minus 1, negative. And if we take a value bigger than 1 by e, say e, then f dash x will be 1 plus log e, and log e is 1, so it's 2, greater than 0, so positive. As such, if we have found for this as negative, obviously the other one is going to be positive. So from 1 by e to infinity, f dash x is going to be positive, and so fx is going to be increasing. But the thing here is that 1 does not belong to the domain. So now it will get converted to 1 by e to 1 union 1 to infinity. So that is option B. So these were few questions of the 2019 Gujcet papers. More questions I will and solutions I will upload tomorrow. So do subscribe the channel, share and like the video. Thank you.